Israel, giving up praise to Yahweh. Hashem Yahshua, Hashem Rakakadash, the bonus to that was the Jim S. Who will say teach you how to get out there for since word and truth. It's a series which can free man like to do so. Alright, back with another one really quick. Um as you can see in the title of the video, man, you know, the Endos strike again. And if you don't know about the Endos, that's negative. Strike again, man. This is what they on. Okay, but I'm gonna play the video in a few, and then just crazy. I'm gonna get this one video and then read a little bit, and then we're gonna read the scripture. Look at that. Let's play it again. That's crazy. Said I snuck up on my kids at daycare because they mama Zayla don't let me see them, and I took my boys to get their hair cut, and I got my baby girl hair did. Look what her mama do, just 'cause I got my baby hair did. I'm Gucci, but my baby hurt. But females talk about Debbie this while some ends say F that. And I remember you. She also smushed her baby cake on her birthday last year. My girl gonna always have hate in her heart. Daddy going to get custody soon, baby. Hold on for me. Though it was no punctuations or periods and things like that, we understood what's happening, man. And this is a sad curse, according to the Lord. So this is lamentation, uh, 4 verse 1. How is the gold become dim? How is the most fine gold changed? The stone of the sanctuary are poured out into the top of every street. The precious sons of Zion, comparable to fine gold, how they esteem as earth and pitch. Meaning that the sons of the children of Israel esteemed are nothing. Earth and pitches is like a cup. It's like a clay cup, which is worthless. You drink with it, you drop it, you don't care about it. You let it sit in the street. You know, that's what the children of Israel is compared to. Worthless clay that you drop in the street. You don't think twice about it. You see, which it was used to be comparable to fine gold. You see, the work of the hands of the potter. Even the sea monster draw the breast. They give suck to their young ones. The daughter of my people has become cruel, like the ostriches in the wilderness, man. You see, man, ostrich in the wilderness is step on a baby's egg, and not care about it, and not realize that it killed his kid. That's how the women of our people become niggas, Latinos, and Native American. Verse 4, the tongue of the sucking child cleaveth to the roof of his mouth for thirst, and young children ask for bread, and no man break it unto them. They that feed delicately are desolate in the street, and they that boy with scarlet embrace dunghills. For the punishment of the iniquity of the daughter of my people is greater than the punishment of the sin of Sodom, that was overthrown as in a moment, and no hand stayed on her. You see, man, and then our people have been going through hell for a very, very long time, man. And it's because of the curses, you know. And it's really, very, very, very unfortunate, man. We're gonna play this video one more time, and we're gonna close it out. Um, yeah, man, it's very tragic. So let's play it. Yeah, man. So with that, I want to say shalom.